Tell you what though, they look really good. Very happy with them. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting on the upper control arms on the Nissan. Let me show you those real quick. So we got our upper control arms from Z1. We'll be putting those on today, getting that done. And then hopefully next weekend, we'll be taking it off-road again and enjoying it. So here we go. Gotta stop and get some gas. We gotta stop and get some drink, of course. And then it's off to Dad's house. All right, before we get to that, I gotta make a quick stop real quick. Some of you know that I own a small pest control company here in town, and this lady called and said that she had a home inspection done on a house she was looking to buy, and the home inspector thinks he found what looks like termite tubes. So we're gonna check that out real quick, and then we're gonna head out. All right, this appears to be it. Here we go. I think they said the issue was in the master bedroom. Definitely got a weird smell to it. This isn't it. Nope. It's not it. Pretty cool little house. Skylight. So here's the master. Well, definitely termites. I can show you. Here you go. Termite damage there. Mud tubes there. I'm gonna poke around and see if we can find some live ones. Well, I don't see any live ones, but you can see this whole board here is pretty much toasted. That knife goes in quite a bit. And they've eaten all the way down to that other opening down there. So we will let her know we don't see any live ones, and they're only old damage, old tubes. All right, let's get out of here. Let's check out the kitchen while we're here, just real quick. All right, now we're on the way to Dad's house. All right, just pulled up, ready to get started. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the tires taken off, get the truck jacked up, and we'll get to work. All right, got a tire off. We're gonna put some jack stands under it and start loosening it up. All right, so we got these off, got them all, it's ready to set in, and we're taking these caps off to put grease down in there. If you guys do have the same set, they have these tiny little Allen keys. Come on, focus. Anyway, super duper tiny. So if you got one Allen key set like this, it's literally the smallest one in the pack to get that lid off. So we're gonna grease these up and then get them put back on. All right, got a little bit of an update. So we got the first one on. Took a little bit of doing to get it lined up enough. Also had to put some grease in those caps, get everything greased up. This looks to be okay. I do have an appointment later today to get to the line, so it'll be okay. The alignment shop's maybe 3 miles down the road. So other than that, it wasn't too terrible. We're gonna start the driver's side here in a minute, and I think it's got one extra step with the steering column. Other than that, it should be the same. So we'll get started on that side. All right, guys, we're all done. It was a bit of a pain in the ass, but we got it done. I got an appointment in about an hour and a half to go up to tire place here in town to get it aligned. Let me show you what we did. So here's the control arm. The biggest pain in the butt we came across was getting the bolt out of the steering column. There's a bolt right there that you got to take out in order to get the bolt for the control arm out, because it hits up against this boot right here. And only way to do it is take that out. Man, we had a hell of a time getting it out. But we got that done, did it as best as we could, eyeballing like that. So what we're gonna do next is take it up and get it aligned. Doesn't look to be too bad. I think it was, here, I'll see if I can show you. So it's not perfect, it's off just a hair. And then this side is a little bit worse. You can see it's pretty close, but not perfect. So anyway, hopefully he can align it good enough and we don't have to come back and do it all over again to adjust it. But that should do it. You can see why I come to Dad's over here, because he's got every tool, because he's building a race car. So everything we need right here. So hopefully they can get it aligned good, but I'll know in about an hour. I'll be up there and get it done. So I'll check in back with you a little later. So I'm sitting here waiting to get the alignment done on the truck. There's a food truck here. Boy, look at this. Look at that. Get that and this coat here, $9. Truck right over there, waiting to get done. Can't think of a better way to wait. All right, guys, we are back at home. Got everything done, almost perfect. So I will have to take the control arms back off again and then make a little bit of an adjustment. He did get them to set level, but I can't remember if it's a camber or caster, whichever one it was. Anyway, the wheels are sitting too far forward, and one of them is a little bit further forward than the other, causing it to pull just a little bit. So when I get the energy and the time, we're going to take them back off and turn the threads, a couple threads out, to get that lined up a little better. Other than that, I've had no complaints driving it home so far. So tell you what, though, they look really good. Very happy with them. And when we had it jacked up, even fully articulated, so with full travel and suspension, the control arms were still about a ½ inch from even touching the coil bucket. So a lot more clearance on that. Very happy with it. All right, guys, that's it. So I think next weekend, the end of April, we're going back out to some trails out to Citrus for my birthday weekend, and I'll be putting it to test then and see if we can do some of the obstacles a little bit better this time, now that we have a little bit more travel in the front. And yeah, man, long day today. So I'm ready to get inside, get something to eat, get something to drink, chill out. So I'll see you guys in the next one.